नमस्कार दोस्तों. In addition to regular program for IIT, JEE and medical coaching, now the students sometimes parents have question कि why it is required, shall we start right now, or what happen if the student will not take this course. So just to be very clear, now is the age of competition. The students at national level to perform better are preparing for IIT, JEE and medical from class 6 onwards. In fact, those students who are more serious, they start preparation from class 6 onwards, and some others start from class 8th, 9th onwards also. Why these programs are required, or what happen the student will take this program? By taking such programs, the student get the benefit that they will have a solid foundation. So when they go to class 11th or 12th, especially class 11th, they will perform better. They are having more speed because in the foundation programs which we are starting from class 6 to 10th, we are taking care of the students academics, that is school's curriculum completely. Along with that, we give some higher level things. Some higher level things means what? Like the chapter when same but slight more applications, level of questions of slightly higher level. In fact, in class 10th and 11th there is huge gap. They complain that in class 11th they are not able to cope up the pressure of class 11th. Maybe in class 10 they might have secured marks more than 90% or even more than 95% marks or 10 CGPA. The reason in 10th class we study or the students study a general syllabus which does not focus on some specialized studies. And if the student have talent, then definitely they should do some higher level things from earlier classes. At national level, it have been now a trend pattern that the top rankers, rank 1 to 10 in IIT or medical, are the student who are preparing for this IIT or medical entrance examinations from earlier ages. Keeping in mind the same thing, that the student of Odisha should not lag behind the student at national level in other branches, other cities. We have taken this initiative and starting the program from class 6 onwards. Basically in class 6, 7 or 8, 9, 10, we don't pressurize student much because that is a tender age. The student should not feel burden of the studies from early age too much. So we just try to make the studies a bit enjoyable, like application part, how to link the things with higher level things from beginning, how to attempt the objective question approach, some shortcuts, some tricks, and bit slightly higher level things. Application part slightly increase more in these programs because when the student have clarity, they will not mug up the things. Now what happens in class 10th to secure higher marks? What the student do? They just mug up the things, just keep on mugging up things and just reproducing same without understanding thoroughly the concept behind. So in this program, foundation programs are giving that inputs. They should know the things, plus they should also able to understand the things, logic behind those concepts or those theories. So this foundation program is focusing on that areas. Along with that, in class 9th and 10th, we touch some chapter of class 11, 12th also. The main focus, the student should be able to cope the pressure of class 11th. They should be able to handle the pressure of class 11th very well. And these programs are the programs in which we are getting the selection number very high. The student who take this foundation programs with us, their selection ratio is more than 50 to 60% as compared to the student who are taking coaching after class 10th, whose selection ratios around 20 to 30% only at national level competitions. And what happens, majority students maybe class 10th CGPA 10 scorer in CBC board or even 90% plus marks in other boards. Sometime, in fact, more than 30 to 40% students, they are not able to cope the pressure in class 11th itself. So this program definitely will help the student, are helping the students to perform better during class 11, 12th, and ultimate aim is national level entrance examinations. IIT, maybe IIT, JEE, medical entrance, AIMS examinations, or also other different entrance examinations of national repute. Not only this, the program also will help the student to be better scientists if they want to be scientists, because they know the things conceptually also. Because all the student may not have target ki yes I want to be only engineer or only medical. These programs give the scope to students to interact with better students or better teachers in earlier ages who have done some good achievements, because our faculty teams of foundation also consisting of IIT and NIT alumni faculty members. So definitely they take care of the students better way, and confidence with the student is very high when they take such programs to perform ultimately very good in the examinations coming for future.